What's up, art supporters and creators? Doswell Arts here. Today we will be creating a cartoon art of Tory Lanez the easy way. If this is your first time to the channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll get notified when I drop some heat. Stay to the end of the video to watch me make the cartoon character of Tory Lanez come alive. If you want me to slow the video down on the next video, just let me know. Leave a comment down in the comment section and I'll do it. Without further ado, let's go.
my dad is a very incredible person to me, but you know, when I was younger, like maybe if he wasn't always traveling or like, you know, had other things to do, maybe there would have been, he taught me so many principles, but maybe would have been a little bit more principles that maybe I would have known, or maybe I would have, you know, went with it. Maybe there was just a different way of me learning certain things opposed to me having to get to a certain place with certain people to learn. And I look at my son the same way, like maybe if I just teach him the principles from early and, you know, put him in boxing class. You know what I'm saying? Like, so he knows how to throw his duke up if he has to.